Welcome to Toronto! Look at the nightlife. What a great place. I'm here, there's good music. It doesn't feel like Toronto, it feels really, really cool. There's a train there. It's a good old train. Look at the buildings. Look at the buildings. I feel like I'm in heaven. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna buy a place around here somewhere, because it has the nice walking paths. This is what I'm looking for, of course. A lot of walkways. You know, nice. I never thought about a condo, but I'm thinking maybe I'll buy one of these up there. Look at a beautiful night sky here, nightlife. There's some kind of party going on there. It sounds like Guyanese people having a party or something there. But look at the CN Tower there. It's beautiful. At one time, this was the highest standing structure in the world. But I think yeah, kicked out some place in Dubai. But what a place, eh? It's beautiful. They're probably building another CN Tower here. But this is nice, really nice. Really, really nice. Nice bridge. Nice walking path here. Beautiful place. I think that's Drake Hotel over there. Oh my, oh my. What a great place. Nice greenery. I'm so happy I'm here. Toronto is a great place. I think I seriously might consider buying a property over there. Just gotta call my agent to see if I can get something up here. This is nice building. Very nice. See, nice walking paths. And what I like about it, the spiders, you can see a spider there. It's from this light here. It's beautiful. Look, it's a spider right there. It's cool. And then if you look on the ground, you'll see them there. I notice at most of the lights I have these spider webs. If you're scared of spiders, don't come here. I like this one. Look at this one here. This one is really big.